Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this Hitachi saw. And before you get started, make sure it's unplugged. Real simple. Got to unscrew this cap here, and there's another one on the back side. And that'll pull out the brushes. Flathead screwdriver, unscrew the cap. And you can see that one's worn down. The replacement brushes for this is 999-043. Look at the new compared to the old. Just reinsert it like this, but you make sure these brass tabs lock in right here. Once that's in, you just put the cap back on, tighten it up, and do the same thing on the other side. Once you've done that, go ahead and reinstall the plug. Give it a try. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.